I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with power off and SIM removal. This avoids short circuits. Next, remove the 2 pentalobe screws at the lightning port and apply the suction cup near the screen edge. While pulling gently, insert a thin pick to create a 0.5 1 mm gap. Pry slowly to avoid tearing the display cables. Once you have an edge gap, hinge the display up like a book. Do not lift more than 90 degrees, so you can access the internal screws and bracket that secure the connectors. With the screen hinged, remove the metal bracket covering the connectors. Organize screws by length. You then disconnect the battery first to minimize power flow, followed by the display and digitizer cables, using a spudger to pry straight up. Once cables are free, lift the display assembly away from the chassis. If adhesive holds the glass, heat the perimeter to soften it and use thin picks to separate glass from frame. Work in small sections to avoid cracking the midframe or bending the OLED layer beneath. Place new adhesive strips into the frame and clean any residue so the glass seats evenly. Align the replacement glass, then reconnect the display cables and reattach the metal bracket. Make sure each connector clicks in flush to avoid touch issues. Before final sealing, lightly press the screen into the frame and power on to test touch, cameras, and sensors. Once confirmed, press and secure the glass fully, reinstall the pentalobe screws. If touch fails, reopen and reseat connectors. Often a misaligned connector is the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.